Hello, this is Leonardo Meng, and today I'm come to the factory to follow the progress of our orders, so I can share those pictures and welding, painting with our customers to let them know the progress. So I get the chance to make this video to show you my daily work in the factory. Now follow me. Usually when I'm in the factory, I will first walk around to have a look at the boats newly built, and usually follow each step from the welding, painting, fitting, and so on. So now let me lead you to our welding workshop. Now we are in the starting point of the welding workshop. As you may know, our company has 3 factories to build different types of boats: fishing boats, pontoon boats, and pontoon house boat. And the third one is for the workboat. Now where I am, and our workboat factory will build landing craft, passenger boat, pallet boat, patrol boat, and also firefighting boats, and many different kinds. Now you see we're the starting phase of the workboat production, and as you may see, we have a very reasonable and scientific structure to make sure the boat is very solid, with very scientific and reasonable frame space, very solid welding. We really, we have our own quality control engineer to check the quality of each step. But as a salesman, we also check ourselves. Very good welding, very strong structure, so the customer will have a very good boat with the use and can be last for many years. And now, after all the welding finished, we'll transport the boat to the painting house. Here you can see some boats being painted. Our painting is use a world famous brand like PPG, like Marseille, and our painting is have 6 procedures, from the bottom painting, the primer, and the surface painting. All the procedures is to make sure the paint is very solid and well attached. The ocean water could be very salty, and with so much procedures, the painting could last for many years. Now we will go to the fitting workshop where we install the accessories and the electronics. And during the pass, I will show you some workboats being built. As this is a workboats workshop, but we will still build some big cabin cruiser for fishing or yachts. And in the right side, this is a 11-meter patrol boat. We build 2 boats for this customer. The hull is almost finished, and the next step will be go to painting. This is a 10-meter catamaran. This is like a family boat for cabin cruising, for fishing. It's very nice for the holiday time. And this one is a 22-meter catamaran. We are building for an island customer. This boat is to carry passengers near lagoon. And in the left side, there's 2 also 11-meter patrol boat. The bottom house finished, and we're building the superstructure later. And now here we are in the fitting workshop. Usually we will transport the boats after painting, and there is a 12-meter landing craft which finished welding, and the painting will be done later time because we need more space in the welding workshop for other boats, so we just move it here. And this side is 17.6-meter passengers boats, which can carry up to 90 passengers, both inside the cabin and on the top. And here's the 10.5-meter inflatable boat. The customer is from the from our local port, used for patrol and some work. Now here is a 11-meter lifestyle boat. This is also a cabin cruiser for cruising, for entertainment, for fishing. When you look at this side of the white boat, it the prototype is 11-meter patrol boat, and the customer is like this design and want to make it like a fishing boat or cabin cruiser boat. The forward cabin design give you more space for the head, and also it will cover the passengers from the sun side with a forward cabin front. The very strong rubber fender, which will protect the hull very well. The deck is all our boat designs with self-draining deck to make sure the water flow out automatically. We also build, you see, a very good trailers. We also build the trailers in our own factory, both aluminum trailer and the galvanized steel trailer. Our trailer design and the quality can comply with the Australia standard and the USA standard. With the vehicle identification numbers, it's very easy for you to register. And as just to have a brief introduction of the balance boat. Our daily work here is just to, as I explained, we have our own quality control engineer, but as a salesman ourselves, we will double check to make sure the customer get the right boat and a good quality boat. When they get the boat, they can just throw it into water and use it. And now here's a 11.6 catamaran passenger boat. It can carry up to 50 to 60 passengers. The black boat is also 11.6 catamaran for sightseeing. And this is a 50-meter cabin cruiser yacht for a Canada customer. This is a very perfect design with the internal decoration like a yacht. And the pink one is the 11-meter center cabin boat, which is a very popular medium-sized fishing boat with a walk-around and the extended roof at the back. It's could be a very good charter fishing boat. And here is the water pole for testing. After finish welding our boat, we'll put straight into this water to see the stability and everything for initial check. And here's a 9-meter landing craft workboat. We have different sizes of landing craft from 6 meter to 21 meter. A lot of different types for work, for patrol, for passengers, everything. And that yellow top is a 11.6 meter pallet boat. Very nice design with a spoiler fender. Now we finished the tour inside our welding and the fitting workshop. I have some questions to discuss with our designer from our customers, and I will also check the progress for new orders. Our customers waiting our production plan and designing work. Let's go. Now I got the designer here, and I want to talk about 40-meter landing craft and 20-meter workboats, the designing work progress. If you have interest in our design, and we can make a video to show you more details of our design. This is the 40-meter landing craft, which I'm talking just now, and this is for a South American customer. He used to carry cargoes up to 11 to 12 tons. It's a very good design with a local deck space. This is the 20-meter surface propeller workboat, a 20-meter very good size for the government and for the port company. This is with the twin inboard engines, with everything, with the kitchen, with the kitchen sink, with the bathroom, and also some weavers in front for the people to sleep inside. Very cool design. This is my daily work in factory. So if you have interest, please subscribe our channel and we will explain to you more about our factory. See you next time.